it's really cold here in New England. But we're doing the metric system, and then we're going to be doing capacity. So we're going to be doing like cups and pints and stuff like that, converting. So we're doing measurements and converting. The first thing you need to remember, we're starting with page 112, the metric system. You always need to remember this little setup here. Katie hid darts under Dean's car motor, and Kaylee hit Daniel until DJ couldn't move. That was it, right? So that stands for kilo, hecto, deca, meter, liter, gram, deci, centi, and milli. Okay, this is a review for you guys. So if we had to do 15.7 centimeters to hectometers, you always go with what you have and you go towards what you don't have. So we have centimeters, so we go here, and we have to go to hectometers. So centimeters to hectometers, you start here, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. Okay, so this, anything down here is actually smaller than anything here. So if we have centimeters, the number that we're going to put here is going to be smaller than what we have for centimeters. So we're going 4 jumps to the left, which means 15.7 is the decimal point is going to jump 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to add in 2 zeros. So the answer is 0.00157. Okay? 325 meters, we're going to kilometers. Okay, meters is right here. So I'll just erase this. My board doesn't erase in the morning when it's too cold. Meters to kilometers. So we're going that way. So how many jumps? 1, 2, 3. So 325 meters is going to go 1, 2, 3 with our decimal point. So 0.325. Now let's go the other way. Let's say I had 10 hectoliters and I wanted to go to milliliters. Okay, so I had 10. So now I'm going that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's a decimal point understood right after the 10. If there's no decimal point written, you know it's right after the 10. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 1 and then 6 zeros. And then put in your commas. Okay, so that's a review. Then we're going to do measurements of capacity, and capacity just means that it's a liquid measure, so we're looking, or a dry measure. We use the liter in the metric system. We use the ounce in the English system. So if we're going to do, let's say we have 20 teaspoons to how many tablespoons? So what you need to do is, on page 114 and 115 are all the conversions of the different things, and we've got 3 teaspoons equals 1 tablespoon. So remember, 3 teaspoons equals 1 tablespoon, which means a tablespoon is bigger than a teaspoon. So you're going to do 1, 2, 3. We're going teaspoons to tablespoons, big to small to big, divide. Okay. The special number is 3. So 20 divided by 3. And 20 divided by 3, 20 over 3 equals 6 2/3. So the answer would be 6 2/3 there. Quarts to gallons. I'm going to look here to find that 4 quarts equals 1 gallon. 4 quarts equals 1 gallon. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. Quarts to gallons. Quarts are bigger than, smaller than gallons. Quarts to gallons, divide. So I'm going to divide. My special number is 4. 6 divided by 4. And you can notice, like, when you were in 4th grade, all these came out even. Now we're not coming out even anymore. 6 divided by 4 is 1 and 2/4, which is 1 1/2. So the answer is 1 1/2. I want to go the other way, where we're going big to small. So 19, let's see, pints. Let me find one that's big to small. Okay, 3 gallons equals blank fluid ounces. 3 gallons equals blank fluid ounces. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to find how many, let's see, there is 16 fluid ounces in 1 pint. And oops, this is one of those ones where you have to go, okay, there are 4 quarts in a gallon. There's 16 fluid ounces in a pint. 16 fluid ounces equals 1 pint. Then 1 pint equals 2 cups. Right. 4 quarts equal 1 gallon. 4 quarts equal 1 gallon. 2 pints equal 1 quart. 2 pints equal 1 quart. So you need all this. Okay, so if 16 fluid ounces equal 1 pint and 2 pints equal 1 quart, then 32 fluid ounces equal 2 pints or 1 quart. And then 4 quarts equals 1 gallon. So you have to multiply that by 4. So you have to multiply that by 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 128 ounces equals 1 gallon. So there you go. Now we have it. So we're going gallons to ounces. Gallons to ounces multiply. So you're going to multiply. The special number is actually 128. And then you multiply 128 times 3. And you get 24, 6, 7, 8, 384. Let me just make sure that's the right answer. 384 is correct. So that one's a little harder. That is number 9 in your book. It's a little harder because you had to do all this extra stuff. But that's it. I hope you had a good field trip yesterday. See you later.